Guess what day it is? It's moving day! What's up, you guys? I got another vlog for you here. So in this vlog, we are going to be getting ready to move. So I'm going to be looking like absolute trash about 90% of the vlog. I might, show up and show out one day, but I doubt it because we have a lot to do, you guys. Right now, I'm working on taking everything out of my closet, and girl, it is jam-packed. And you guys, if you watched my last vlog, you know how psychotic I was about getting these little storage bags. I think I mentioned it literally 10 times in the last vlogs. Vacuum storage bags, vacuum seal bags, these vacuum seal bags, vacuum seal bags. So I apologize, but they are crucial. Let me show you. Each of these weigh like 30 pounds. Oh my God. It fits so many clothes in it, you guys, so you definitely have to get them. They're from the dollar store, and they save you so much room, and you can just throw them in a bin and like lug them up the stairs or whatever you gotta do, but that's what I'm doing right now. So you guys, in today's vlog, we are going to pack up my whole house, this hot-ass house. You guys, it's 90 degrees here right now, and it's supposed to be the rest of the week until next week when I move. I finally get my keys on Tuesday, so that's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna head over there Tuesday night, bring on my cleaning shit, and just deep clean it, because that's something I always regret moving into a new place, is not cleaning it before there's anything in it. It's hard to clean around furniture and stuff, so I'm gonna go in there, wash down all the cabinets, everything, and then I'm gonna start bringing stuff over. I'm gonna be a real adult this time, you guys. I got vacuum seal bags. I'm gonna clean before I move in. I'm gonna even set up Wi-Fi before I move in. Like, we are growing up. So cheers to that, you guys. I am gonna be sipping on the sangria and just shoving shit into bags. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Next day, it's Friday, which is not that exciting because I'm not doing a whole lot this weekend, but I do have shit to do, so I have to pack tonight. So a little turn up Friday night with, again, my sangria, because who packs sober? I don't know, not I though. So you guys, I have these IKEA drawers. I have 2 of them, and they are jam-packed, so I'm gonna try and fit everything into a tub, put it in my car, and just be done with it.
Can't nobody do it like you. Can't nobody do it like you. Can't nobody do it like you.
I'm a minister, babish. If you guys didn't know, he is my roommate's dog, but I made sure it was my #1 thing that I had a pet-friendly place, so he can come stay with me, so we can have sleepovers and cuddles when I really need it. What kind of dog do you think he is? We're still unsure. We think he's a pug terrier because, girl, look at that hair. And he's got a curly tail, but I'm gonna miss him on a daily basis, especially since we've been in quarantine. I've been working from home every day. He has been sitting on my bed every day. It's gonna be a weird adjustment. Okay, I don't know if I'm about to have a genius idea or if it's gonna F up my life, but what do you guys think about me stringing my robe string through all of these hangers and just having them all on a rope? Is that gonna mess everything up, or am I a genius? Because I don't want to use a whole bin just for hangers, you can't ever pack hangers right. I think I might try it.
Like the way you love me, like the way you make my heart beat, the way you look at me, baby. I can't explain it, no, I can't believe it, no, that this is happening to me. Can't nobody do it like you.
Hold
advice. So.
It worked! Thumbnail. Feeling accomplished. Just gonna say that. It's Monday and it has been one hell of a day already. Like, work has just been draining today and it's just been so busy, and I found the perfect couch for me. I'll insert a picture right here, or I'll show you guys once I get it set up in my new apartment. But I get the keys tomorrow, so it's gonna be super excited. I have the couch. I had to pick it up because she had so many offers on it, and you guys, I got a steal. It was $175 for a white, really nice couch. I don't think it really has much staining on it. I'm gonna run over to Target tonight and get some like cleaner just so that it's like perfectly clean when I move it into my new place, because I don't want to bring anything grimy and dirty. So I'm gonna run over to Target, get some nice cleaning material for the couch, and then also just for the new apartment. Okay, you guys, so here are the couch cushions. So the thing about IKEA that's really nice is everything comes apart, which I didn't really realize, but I'm happy about because it's gonna make moving easy. I can unzip all of these and wash them, but that seems like a lot of work, and I would have to go to like an industrial size washer. So I just ended up getting some of this. So I'm gonna just spot clean it, and hopefully that will work. Guess what day it is? It's moving day. It's happening. Let's go. Laundry. Ooh, this looks new. So much storage. We love the storage. Hey. You guys, look how big this bathtub is. And then this is my patio still. I have these huge windows. They're so nice and big. And I think I'm gonna put my bed right here. And then I wanna like maybe, I don't know how I'm gonna cover that up. That's the furnace. I wanna cover it up though, but I think a bed would fit perfect over here. Otherwise I could put it like right here, but I don't want it like smack dab when I walk in, you know? Because that's what you look at. The ceilings are so high. And here's the closet. Oh, I love. It's gonna be so nice and big. Robes. You guys, I'm just so excited. Like, my lighting for videos and everything, they're gonna be so good. I can't wait. AC again, a nice place. We're so excited. Feeling very blessed, you guys, honestly. Very, very blessed. Hello, everybody. Okay, I'm back. It's day 2, and I moved a bunch of stuff. So if I'm a little out of breath, that is why. Luckily, they have like shopping carts downstairs, so I got most of everything up on one trip, but the last trip when I just decided to carry it up 2 flights of stairs, that's when it got a little tricky. But you guys, I wanted to show you my couch and kind of my layout, what I'm thinking, so let me show you guys. Okay, so here's the couch, you guys. As you guys can see, I have a really nice big light, and I love how green it is outside. So I want to keep everything neutral because I think the green with all like the neutral colors will just look so nice and so pretty and relaxing. And then in the winter, it's gonna be like all white out there. I'm just so excited. I love how green it is. I love that no one can see into my apartment. They're building some condos right next door, but there's so many mature trees that no one's gonna see a thing, which is great. So here is the couch. It's an L-shaped couch. I wanted it this way with the foot of the couch on this end, just so it could separate the room a little bit. But it's about a 3-person couch and then an ottoman that came with it. The ottoman is a little dirty. It's picking up dirtier on camera than what it really is. It's not that bad, it's just a little discolored, so I actually might try and wash this one in the washing machine that I have in here. But the rest of the couch is looking really good. Yeah, it's picking up like there's actual dirt on it, but in person, it looks really good, you guys. It doesn't look dirty at all, and it smells fine, nothing weird like that. So since my couch is white, you guys, I'm really nervous about a white couch. I love it, I think it looks so beautiful, but one mistake and it's gonna ruin the whole appearance of the place. So what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna get like a gray fur throw to put like on one section of the couch, and whenever I'm drinking wine or, you know, eating on my couch, I just sit in that one spot. So if anything gets spilled, it's on like a $30 blanket versus, you know, a couch that is hard to replace. I'm just so happy this couch was under $200. Like, what? It's an IKEA couch, and she just had it up in her attic. Like, she didn't really even use it. It's got these as the back. I might put a little skinny table behind here just so I can put candles and, you know, set a drink down right there. I also got this TV stand on either Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. It's also from IKEA. It's really nice and low, which I really like for watching TV. I don't like when anything sits up too high because your neck is strained. So it's just cute. There's a lot of storage underneath, so I'm gonna fill it up with books, the cable thing, you know, maybe even the Wi-Fi router, just some little knickknacks. It's got a lot of great storage. So the one thing I said I was not gonna forget is what I forgot. I forgot my stupid tripod. I was going to try and film a little bit more, so I'm gonna have to put you guys down somewhere where you guys can watch me. Okay, it looks a little bit better. I swear I had more books than that. I just don't know where they're at. Yeah, I do have more books. Where the heck are they at? We'll figure it out later. And I always like having some sort of little flower up in the kitchen. And I thought this blue went really pretty with it. I'm probably gonna get some less tacky flowers, but they will do for now. Guys, I totally forgot I was gonna show you the dishes I got from the dollar store. Cute, right? I got some bowls too, some little dishes. I like that it's open like that. And then this is gonna be my little coffee corner. This is just some garbage. So I'm gonna put sugar, coffee, and that's just an extra one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one yet. But this is where I'm gonna have my coffee little station. So I have, oh, I gotta wipe these down, they're a little dirty. Got my mugs. I got these ones from the dollar store. They're nice and big. And then I love these glass ones, but they're so small. I got these on Amazon. I'll link everything that I can find in the description box below. Some wine glasses. I need some smaller ones. I like the ones, like the stemless ones, and then random cups up there. So yeah, you guys, it's looking good. I know I don't have a lot in here. It's just a bunch of little things, which kind of sucks. Like, I'm bringing a bunch of little things over and nowhere to put any of it, so it's just gonna be going on the floor, but that's okay for now. Like, I brought over a bunch of shoes, and shoes were the last thing I wanted to bring over, but I was like, hey, let's just bring a little bit at a time, stick it in my laundry basket, and because I have so many shoes, you guys, I honestly am a little worried about it. We can just use my whole coat closet as a shoe closet. So I should probably order a shoe rack or something. Yeah, other than that, I've just been cleaning. I vacuumed around like the perimeter of all of the ceilings, did the vents, because the vents were really dirty. Like, I don't know if I told you guys this already, but they did not clean this place out when they left. So essentially, I'm pretty sure they bought this apartment or this condo for their daughter because their daughter was their first and last tenant, and they were super weird about like not telling me at first, and then the dad said something when I came over and like did the inspection. He was like, oh yeah, did I tell you my daughter used to live here? And I was like, oh no. And so I have a feeling she thought that they were gonna get it professionally cleaned, and I have a feeling that they didn't look through it and see that it was not cleaned because like the fridge was not cleaned out. Like there was still some like random little junk in the cabinets when we were doing the inspection. I was like, what the hell? And like the vents were like dusty, which is fine. I mean, I was planning on cleaning anyways, but I was just kind of like, dang, you guys didn't even clean. But it's okay because honestly, they did a lot of work to this apartment. Like they installed brand new carpet, brand new flooring, granite countertops and stuff like that. So I'm really grateful that everything else is new. They just did not clean anything. So it's been a lot of me like discovering new little secret things to clean, but it's all good. I like this couch. It's really sturdy. I thought IKEA would be kind of cheap. It's actually really sturdy. And it's the perfect size for me and one other person, you know, to both like chill and lay out. So I'm happy with it. I think it's gonna be a good couch. I don't know what I want to do on these walls. I can't hang anything heavy up because I can only use command strips or tacks or very, very small nails. But I do want to like obviously put some wall art up, but I was thinking maybe just like black and white, very chill but cool art. But I also do have a really thin table I could put behind here and then just like lean up some posters, like some framed posters in the back and make it a cool little vibe, like put some LED lights behind here. I might do that. That would be kind of cool, right? Oh, okay, that would be cool. I think I just figured out what I wanted to do. I think we're gonna do posters, black and white posters. I'm gonna have to look into that tonight. Okay, you guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I have taken you guys along moving most of my stuff. We just have one more day of hardcore moving and then we should be all good. I am so excited about what this new place holds for me. I think it's gonna be a great start to an amazing, very successful year. So I'm really excited to be here on my own, living in my first place. So I hope you guys enjoyed packing with me and moving with me. Thank you so much if you have made it through this video. I cannot wait to share with you guys more like home decor stuff and just vlogging on a daily, regular basis. So thank you again for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe and like this video if you made it through this whole video. You are the real MVP. So I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.